Hello, my name is Ade Maisa. I am from University of Islamic Sultan Syarif Qasim of Riau. Okay, on this video, I would like to do teaching practice. It's for students, and I will explain about report text. So let's be started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students. How are you today? Yeah, I hope on this pandemic you always fine and always given help. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's be saying basmalah first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, on the previous meeting we already listened about what? Yeah, analytical exposition text and hartatory exposition text. So for today, we continue for a new material is about report text. Ya, now we talking about report text. Adapun tujuan dari pembelajaran kita pada hari ini, yang pertama yaitu you tell about the definition and generic structure of report text. Yaitu kamu memberikan atau menyebutkan definisi dan generic structure dari report text. Yang kedua, you use simple present tense in sentence to make a report text. Artinya, kamu menggunakan kalimat present tense dalam membuat suatu text report. Yang ketiga, make a paragraph of report text based on appropriately in generic structure. Yaitu, kamu menyusun sebuah paragraf berdasarkan generic structure atau sesuai dengan generic structure di sebuah report text. Dan yang terakhir, you must to differentiate between report text and descriptive text. Yaitu kamu membedakan secara terperinci antara report text dengan descriptive text. Oke, students, pasti kalian pernah mendengar atau tahu kan apa itu report text, right? Nah, dari kata report yang artinya itu adalah laporan. Jadi, teks ini berisi suatu laporan berdasarkan informasi yang faktual atau akurat. Nah, untuk lebih jelasnya lagi, Miss will explain to you about what is report text. Okay, look at to the whiteboard. So, in report text is a text which present and describing information about something in general. And in report text, the text is as a result of factual occurrence, scientific analysis, and observatory. Maknanya, report text adalah menyajikan atau mendeskripsikan informasi atau suatu hal dalam general, yaitu berdasarkan dari fakta yang akurat, dari sains, dari analisis, dan dari pengamatan. Nah, we will continue with the purpose of report text. The purpose of report text is to present information about something in generally, baik itu object, matter, or things. And in purpose of report text, generally describe the way things are with reference in our environment, such as mammals, planets, plants, cultures, and what else? Transportation, and etc. Okay, we continue for generic structure of report text. Who knows the generic structure of report text? Yeah? Okay, good. So, the generic structure of report text is general classification and description. So, general classification adalah a part that introduces the topic of report text, and classification of general aspect that will be discussed in general. And number 2 is description. Description, so this part give describing of things which discuss in specific or detail. So students, general classification is part that you introduce the topic or the idea, but in description is continue with general classification, you describing or discuss the topic to the specific or detail. Okay student, until here do you understand? Okay, good. Now, we continue with the characteristic of report text. There are the characteristic of report text that conclude first, use of general nouns. For example, mango, tulips, lion, what else? Banana, and then giraffe. Okay, good. And number 2, using simple present tense. For example, the moon goes around Earth. Goes is verb 1. It means that is simple present tense. The moon goes around Earth. Number 3 is use of relating verb and linking verb. For example, tiger is carnivorous mammal. And the next 4, some of report text is use of verbs when describing behavior. For example, these bananas taste good. Okay, and the last number 5 uses conditional and logical connectives. For example, is moreover, but, and else, yeah, in other hand, yeah, good, and etc. So students, now we continue with differences between report text and descriptive text. So differences between report text and descriptive text is from the definition. First, from the definition, report text is present and describes something with general information. Okay, right here, general information, underline here. And the next, descriptive text. Descriptive text is tell and describe something with specific information, more detailed than report text. So in descriptive text, you make the text more specific than report text. So in report text is general information, but in descriptive text, you describe something describe something with specific, right? And from example, when you wanted to make a text, in report text, you make the title is car. It's saying report text because in report text, you're talking about general terms, the part of car, physical strength of car, and function of car, and etc. While in descriptive text, the car to be a my car. It's said my car because in descriptive text, you make the text with specific character, with color of cars, well style, and design of car. So this is from the example car to my car. So students, when you want to make a report text, you must to search or find out the factual information. For example, you want to make the title is elephant. So you must to search and find out the factual occurrence about elephant. This scientific analysis and observatory. Okay students, until here, do you understand what Miss explained? Okay, good job. So I want to make you more understand about this topic. So I will show you the video, the example of report text. So let's rewatch the video. Well students, on this video, what is in the video? The giraffe. So of the video before, which give the information or factual information about the GIRAFFE, right? Okay, so if you understand about that, I will review again about what is report text. Ya, jadi report text adalah teks yang memberikan atau menjelaskan informasi tentang suatu hal yang bersifat general. Dan in report text, ya, itu berdasarkan teksnya berdasarkan informasi yang akurat, informasi yang aktual, dan ada akuratnya, kemudian science, ada analisis, dan berdasarkan pengamatan. Dan the general structure of report text. What is the general structure of report text? Yeah. So the generic structure of report text is two: general classification and description. So in general classification, you introduce the topic. Kamu menjelaskan tentang klasifikasi dari topik tersebut. Dan in description, lanjutan dari general classification, kita membuat teks atau mendeskripsikan teks secara lebih spesifik dan okay, students, before we close our lesson today or our meeting today, I will give you the assignment for the next meeting. So the assignment is you must to make one example of report text. And then you can write down in the paper on Microsoft Word. And after that, you can send to Miss in Google Classroom. And I will check for the next meeting. Okay, students, do you get it? Okay, good. So, I think enough for today. And then thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.